Welcome to your dining room table assembly video. This table is heavy, so make sure you have 2 people. Alright, let's get started. First, use a utility blade to open the box. Only expose a small portion of the blade to ensure you do not damage the table. You'll also want to make plenty of room to lay down the parts as you unpack the boxes. In the lighter box, you'll find the stretcher frame, 2 leg frames, 2 gathering connectors, and a small cardboard box filled with your hardware. The hardware kit contains 8 short bolts, 4 hex bolts, 4 long bolts, 16 spring washers, 16 flat washers, 4 wood dowels, 1 wrench, and 1 Allen key. The heavier box contains the tabletop. We'll get to that later. First, grab either leg labeled P2 and stand it upside down. Then take the wooden dowels and insert them into the holes on the leg frame. Next, insert it into the stretcher frame. Now, take 2 hex bolts and place a spring washer and flat washer on each. Using the wrench, screw both bolts 3/4 of the way, then repeat these steps on the other side. Once all 4 hex bolts are in, tighten all the way. Now it's time to decide if you'd like the tabletop height to be 30 or 36 inches. If the seat of your chair is between 17 and 21 inches, we recommend the 30-inch height. If the seat of your chair is between 23 and 27 inches, we recommend the 36-inch height. For the 30-inch height, place the secured legs over the tabletop and line up the 4 holes. Now, take the 4 long bolts and place a spring washer and flat washer on each. Next, use the Allen key to screw all 4 bolts 3/4 of the way in. Once all 4 bolts are in, tighten all the way and you've completed the assembly of your table. For the 36-inch table height, you'll need the gathering connectors labeled P4, 8 short bolts with spring washers and flat washers on each. Place the gathering connectors with the metal brackets facing down and lining up with the holes. Screw all 8 bolts 3/4 of the way in. Once all 8 bolts are in, then tighten all the way. Next, place the legs on top of the secured gathering connectors and use the 4 long bolts with spring washers and flat washers to connect them. Screw all 4 bolts 3/4 of the way in. Once all 4 bolts are in, then tighten all the way, and you've completed the assembly of your table.